Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a simple yet effective budgeting method known as the 50-30-20 rule. Whether you're new to budgeting or looking for a straightforward approach to manage your finances, this rule offers a balanced framework to help you achieve your financial goals. The 50-30-20 rule divides your after-tax income into three categories. 50% for needs. These are essential expenses that you must cover to live and work. They include housing costs like rent or mortgage payments, utilities such as electricity and water bills, groceries and basic food items, transportation costs including gas, public transit or car payments, insurance premiums, minimum debt repayments, necessary medical expenses. Allocating half of your income to these necessities ensures that your fundamental living expenses are covered. Next, 30% for wants. These are non-essential expenses that enhance your lifestyle but aren't absolutely necessary. Examples include dining out at restaurants, entertainment like movies, concerts, or hobbies, vacations and travel, subscription services such as streaming platforms, the latest gadgets, or fashion items. This portion allows you to enjoy life's pleasures without compromising your financial stability. Finally, 20% for savings and debt repayment. This category focuses on securing your financial future. It involves building an emergency fund to cover unexpected expenses, contributing to retirement accounts like a 401k or IRA, paying off high-interest debts beyond the minimum payments, investing in stocks, bonds, or other assets. Prioritizing this segment helps you prepare for emergencies and work towards long-term financial goals. To implement the 50-30-20 rule, 1. Calculate your after-tax income. Determine your total income after taxes and deductions. 2. Categorize your expenses. Review your spending and classify each expense as a need, want, or savings, debt repayment. 3. Adjust as necessary. If your spending in one category exceeds the recommended percentage, look for areas to cut back. For instance, if your needs consume more than 50% of your income, consider ways to reduce housing costs or other essential expenses. Remember, the 50-30-20 rule serves as a guideline. Depending on your personal circumstances, you may need to adjust these percentages. The key is to create a balanced budget that aligns with your financial situation and goals. By following the 50-30-20 rule, you can gain control over your finances, enjoy your earnings responsibly, and build a secure future. Start budgeting today for a better tomorrow.